Unlike her big sister Priyanka, Parineeti is making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Recently, the actress was at a martial arts event where she spoke about not having a car and cycling to school.
हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे तो मैं स्कूल जाती थी साइकिल पे, क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई गाड़ी, ड्राइवर, बस के पैसे ये सब नहीं थे, तो मेरे पास एक साइकिल था और मैं जाती थी.
After this, a classmate of the actress Kannu Gupta claimed to have exposed her lie in a Facebook post. He wrote, "Parineeti Chopra Shame, coming from a privileged background and lying through the teeth in front of the camera. I guess this is what being a celebrity means. Create a fabricated sob story of no money and no car, etc. Coming from the same school, I probably also remember the car her father used to have." Now, Parineeti has reacted to the claim and released an official statement on Twitter saying that her father did have a car, but it was just for his office use and wasn't for her and her brothers. Well, now whether Pari is covering up her lie or actually speaking the truth, only she can tell. News Desk.